Hi everyone, welcome back to the fourth installment of our ADU journey, where today we're going to be covering siding, drywall, and I'll walk you through the steps on how to waterproof your bathroom. Let's check it out. Let's start with the exterior. For this project, we're using siding. We're using a high quality engineered wood product that gives the look of real wood with the benefits of durability, resistance to moisture, and eco-friendliness. This material won't warp, crack, or get eaten by termites, making it a great choice for long-term performance. Step 2 is going to be drywall. Drywall is what gives the interior of your home a finished, polished look, but also plays the role in insulation, soundproofing, and fire resistance. The first step is prepping the wall. Before the drywall goes up, we check that all the electrical, plumbing, and insulation work is complete. We did that in the previous episode, so we're ready to go. The next step is measuring and cutting. The sheets are cut precisely to fit around all the outlets, windows, and all the fixtures. After that, we hang the drywall, starting with the ceiling and then moving on to the walls. The screws are placed at the correct spacing to prevent cracking. After that, we cover all the joints with tape and joint compound to create a seamless look. After we do all the taping, we apply joint compound over all the screw holes and all the seams, and we sand everything to our desired finish before applying primer and finally painting. This process not only makes the walls look clean and modern, but also adds fire resistance and helps with soundproofing, which is especially important for ADUs and rental units. Now here I want to talk about one of the most important parts of this build, the bathroom. Now for the bathroom, waterproofing is absolutely critical. This is absolutely one of those things that you do not want to cheap out on, because doing so can lead to leaks, mold, and major repairs down the road. For this bathroom, we did hot mop on the shower pan and the bench. And we did a cement backing board and RedGard membrane, waterproofing membrane on the walls to ensure that everything is absolutely hermetically sealed so that nothing will leak ever. Here's how it's done. The first step is to create a free slope to ensure that the water drains properly, it doesn't pool in the corners. Then we apply multiple layers of hot tar and fiberglass to form a complete waterproof base. After cooling, we perform a flood test, filling the pan with water and checking for leaks before moving forward with the tile. Until next time, thanks for watching and follow for more.